Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19.
Asserting that fight to restore abrogated Article 370 will be taken to the logical conclusion, People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti on Friday alleged that the BJP ruler government in the centre wants to make Jammu and Kashmir a battle of Dharm Yudh. Mufti, after her release from the detention for the first time, arrived in Jammu on Thursday. She will also be attending the People's Conference for Gupka Declaration, meet scheduled to be held on the Saturday and chaired by the National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah.
इस वक्त मुमकिन ना होगा। मैं आप जो आज आए हैं हमारे जम्मू के वर्कर्स, हमारी बहनें, मेरे भाई, मेरे बुजुर्ग, मैं हाथ जोड़ के आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। जिस तरह से आपने मेरा इस्तेकबाल किया, जिस प्यार से आपने मुझे यहाँ रिसीव किया, इन हालात में जबकि पूरा मुल्क न सिर्फ जम्मू कश्मीर, जो हमारा संविधान है, संविधान के ऊपर नहीं चल रहा है, हमारा मुल्क बीजेपी के एजेंडे पे चल रहा है।
MMU Kashmir's Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha offered praise to Lord Venkateshwara on the hill shrines of Tirumala on Friday. Manoj Sinha said, "I am very impressed seeing the safety measures and protocols maintained by the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam in COVID times. I have been here many times, but this visit is much better. The way TDD is trying to ensure that nobody is affected from the virus, may God bless our country and all of us overcome this situation," Sinha added. China's People's Liberation Army is facing unanticipated consequences for its misadventure in the eastern Ladakh because of the firm and strong responses by the Indian Armed Forces, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat said on Friday. In an address at the virtual seminar, General Rawat said, "The situation along the line of actual control in the eastern Ladakh remained tense and that India's posturing has been unambiguous." Talking about the overall security calculus, General Rawat said, "Border confrontations, transgressions and unprovoked tactile military actions spiraling into a large conflict cannot be discounted."
Therefore be discontinued or discounted. On the other hand, the unabated proxy war in Jammu and Kashmir being leased from Pakistan, vicious anti-India rhetoric on the social media, and efforts to create social disharmony within our country.
After inserting the Indian tricolour, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti raised doubts on Indian Army's response to China's Galwan Valley intrusion, saying, "If you have strength, show it to China." Talking to the media, Mufti targeted the Narendra Modi's led BJP government, saying they do not have the courage to speak in front of China.
चीन से नहीं आया है, चीन के सामने इनकी बोलती बंद है। चीन 1000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर हमारा लेके गया है, उन्होंने हमारे 20 जवान शहीद किए, मगर देखिए जबान पे चीन का नाम तो आए कभी।
At least 40 sheep and goats were killed in an attack by the leopards in the mountainous area of Jammu and Kashmir's Ramban district. A group of leopards entered the animal sheds in Gundi Gagra village in the Gul sub-division of the district Thursday night and killed at least 40 sheep and goats inside the structures. Officials said there is no provision of any kind of compensation for livestock killed in a wild attack in the Wildlife Division, Kishtwar. Phase 1 of the 24th edition of the Four-Nation Naval Exercise Malabar 2020 is underway in the Bay of Bengal on Friday. Indian Navy, United States Navy, Japan Maritime, Self-Defense Force and Royal Australian Navy are participating in the naval exercise that started on November 3rd. The 24th edition of the Malabar Naval Exercise is scheduled in the two phases this month. It will be displayed high levels of synergy and coordination based on the shared values and commitment to an open, inclusive Indo-Pacific and a rule-based international order. A total of 2 terrorists were killed in an encounter in Pampore, said Jammu and Kashmir Police on Friday. According to the police, incriminating materials including the arms and ammunition were recovered. A local terrorist surrendered during the encounter with the security forces in the Lalpur village of Pampore in Pulwama district on Friday. The encounter broke out in Lalpura area of Pampore yesterday.
डर है ना, इसको मार देना उनको सरेंडर कर रहा है।
मैं खाबर सुल्तान मीर सनाफ मोहम्मद सुल्तान मीर भ्रंगबल पामपुर से वाबस्ता हूँ और मैं मिलिटेंसी ज्वाइन की थी मैंने 1 सितंबर को और अभी मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ जे.एंड.के पुलिस का और फौजों का जो यहाँ की आर्मी है उनका, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया अपनी लाइफ जीने के लिए।